Your face is always sending a message. But is it the message that you want to send? A lot of people focus on one feature, dark circles, jowling, or nasolabial folds, but the truth is they're all connected. And that's why we created the Illumination 360 full face procedure. Using fillers and BOTOX, we address your entire face, and not just from the front, but from every angle. So pretty amazing.
I'm amazed myself.
The Illumination 360 procedure is performed over 2 visits. Visit 1 builds your foundation with strategic contouring and precise volume to lift, support, and refine your facial contours. But here's the thing, it's imperative that we pause the treatment for 6 weeks, and this allows time for the tissues to adapt, fillers to settle, and the swelling to subside, so that at visit 2, we refine balance and symmetry and perfect the fine details, ensuring that your results look natural and not overfilled. The majority of our patients are satisfied and thrilled after their second visit.
I felt like my authentic self.
Because filler results gradually decrease 10 to 20% each year, we recommend annual touch-ups as part of your i360 plan to help you maintain your best look over time.
I want to say it's almost 10 years. He looks at my face, he decides what he's going to do, and then I leave, and it's fantastic.
At every visit, we compare your current results to your original photos, preventing filler drift and helping you look like yourself, just refreshed.
It's hard to imagine that she's 10 years younger than the lady on the right.
Right? If you want a treatment that enhances your entire face with artistic vision, expert precision, and results that last, discover the i360 full face at Mabrie Facial Institute.